Hey, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney and Beyond, and today we have a seniors checklist evaluation of the Duo Studio here at the Disneyland Tower. Come on in, and for the record, this is Unit 0328. Now earlier, we did the standard room tour, and there'll be a link at the end of this video for our standard room tour of this unit, with all the amenities and the niceties. So this video is different. It is not your standard room tour. It is a seniors checklist evaluation using the 30 points, 15 safety, and 15 convenience. These are the 30 points that seniors from the over 93,000 members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group said were the most important aspects and amenities from a safety and a convenience perspective whenever they stay in any accommodations on a Disney vacation. So we're going to go through. The first 15 will be from the safety perspective, and then the last 15 will be from a convenience perspective. Again, it's not just myself saying this, although yes, I am a senior. It is the over 93,000 members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. If you're not a member, come on and join us. Now, let's go on with the evaluation. All right, so these are in order from the most frequently requested items, and so we'll be going back and forth throughout the unit. Again, this is a dual studio, meaning there is no bed. I use the word standard bed. I don't like calling it standard bed, but there is no fixed bed. It is a Murphy bed, a much smaller unit, but very well designed. Okay, so number one, the senior said the most important by far were grab bars around the toilet, bathtub, and the shower. Let's go see. And again, they did this not from an ADA or accessible unit, but just a standard type of everyday unit. So there's no grab bar at the toilet. There's no grab bar inside the shower, and it has no bathtub. All right, so we've given them a fail on that one. Number two, walk-in shower. Yes, it is. Well, it's a walk-in shower. I will put up on the screen right now how many inches high that rise is. I believe it's about 4 inches, but we'll put in how high that rise is for you. So to me, that's a walk-in, but if you're not steady on your feet, then yeah, 4 inches can be a lot in certain cases. All right, the third most requested by this Disney for Seniors Facebook group with safety perspective and accommodations when on a Disney holiday is a true refrigerator. Now this one, as you'll see, Disney gets full marks. It is not a cooler. It is a freezer. Now, how do I know this? First, there's my hand, I can feel the temperature. It's freezer, it's like nice and cold. And it's important, of course, for some of us seniors, medications need to be refrigerated. Okay, so how do I know it's also has a freezer section? Because, yes, an ice cube tray. So that's very cool. So Disney top marks for that one. Number 4 on our seniors checklist, room for 1 to 2 scooters. Well, let me back up to the door. And this is where you're gonna have to help me. Again, these were not specified, these criteria was not specified for an ADA unit, just for a standard unit, because ADA units may not be available when needed, maybe booked up. So you're gonna have to tell me if this has enough room. 1 scooter, I would say yes. 2 scooters, no. Remember, the bed's not pulled down yet. I'll do that for you quickly, but the bed's gonna come out to, right about here. All the way down to about here, as you'll see. So, I mean, you could get 2 scooters in here, but that'd be very tight, I think. All right, so we'll give them not a pass, but not a fail on that one. Okay, toilet height is the next one, number 6. Height of the toilet, I'll put it up on the screen here for you. I believe it's 17 inches. The bed height. Now, to do the bed height, that's safety item number 7. I'm gonna have to pull down the Murphy bed. Now, I will show this to you. And just like that, through the Disney magic, I pulled back both of these two mini ottomans, the two cushions that were on the couch, and I moved the chair. So all we have now is the couch. And I will go pull it down with one hand. And it pauses, and then now I will tell you, every time I pull down the Murphy bed, the sheets seem to get worse and worse. I've tucked them in twice, but that's what it looks like. But let me flash up for you now the height of this Murphy bed. And the height is floor to the top of the bed. I know, it looks kind of messy. What can I tell you? Just the way it turns out. All right, we put the Murphy bed back up and continue. All right, those mini ottomans, the chair, the cushions, the Murphy bed's all back in place. Okay, what's next? Number 8, floor mats in the tub shower area or non-slip grip floors. Well, there's no tub, so there's that. And then here is, once again, the walk-in shower that, I think it was 4-inch rise. Is this a non-slip? It's not bad. The grooves between the hexagonal mini tiles, well, they really help. Now again, Disney will bring, at least over in Walt Disney World, and I showed this to you on our Animal Kingdom 1-bedroom value Disney Vacation Club unit. I showed this to you where they did, when I called down to the cast member front desk, they did bring me a brand new bath mat. So I cannot imagine that Disneyland Tower would not do likewise. All right, so I would give them a okay on the tub shower. Next, bathroom nightlight. Well, that's where the light is, and yes, turn the lights off. Oh, there is. It goes flashing red. That's interesting. Never seen that before. Is there a bathroom nightlight? You know what? I don't know if that would do it for me. What I probably would do, as I do in most bathrooms, I'd probably have one light on, and then I would close like that, leave it ajar a little bit. The door, this pocket door. Okay, let's open that pocket door again. Put that all back. All right, what's next on our seniors checklist, excuse me. All right, what's next in our seniors checklist evaluation of the Duo Studio Standard View here at Disneyland Tower? Number 10, elevators. Yes, there are elevators here at the Disneyland Tower. All right, number 11 on the checklist, electrical outlet near the bed for the CPAP machine. Well, first thing, yes, both sides of the bed do have a night table. They're identical in measurements, and above each has a regular electrical outlet. It has USB and a USB-C, and it has a switch for the lights. I'll put the measurements for that nightstand in case that's important to you if you use a CPAP machine with you on vacation at Disneyland. Okay, so number 11, check mark. Number 12, nightstands both sides of the bed. We just covered that, and there you can see them both. Number 13, handheld shower heads. Let's go back to the bathroom. I mean, the nice thing about these Duo Studios, they cost fewer Disney Vacation Club points than the Deluxe Studio, which is larger and has the regular bed. There's that. Then yes, in the shower, there's the rain shower, but also yes, there is the handheld shower there. So this Duo Studio, Disneyland Tower, get the check mark for that. Seat in the shower stall. Well, we were just there, we've seen it a few times now. There it is there. And again, I'll put the height up on the screen, how high that is for you. Number 15, this is where I would say this Duo Studio fails. This is a very dark unit. And why is it a dark unit? It's a dark unit because look at the ceiling. There are no ceiling lights anywhere on that ceiling. The closest, and I can't understand why this would happen. I don't know what kind of fire code or architectural standards Orange County might have, but that's the closest above the nightstand. Otherwise, no ceiling light at all. This is on the dark side of the unit. So just be wary of that. All right, we've gone through 15 most commonly requested safety items by seniors from this Disney for Seniors Facebook group when they're on vacation at Disney. Next are the 15 the most commonly requested convenience type items. Number 1, microwave, coffee maker, and a kettle. Well, the microwave, there it is there. There's coffee maker, Keurig. There is no separate kettle to boil water for your morning porridge or cup of tea, as many of you requested. Number 2, the fridge and microwave at counter level. They get full marks from me here. Yes, not because of the fridge. I mean, that's same old as far as where it's placed, but the microwave. This is the first Disney Vacation Club accommodations that Nancy and I have stayed in. We've stayed at a lot of them where the microwave is not placed way up here. It's down here. Excellent. That's really good news. All right. Next, toaster. I'm gonna go looking for the toaster. I have not seen a toaster. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. I've scoured this unit everywhere, including some places I couldn't imagine a toaster might be placed, but there is no toaster here. Again, first time I can recall staying in any Disney Vacation Club unit of any size with no toaster. Interesting. Number 4, convenience item, bathtub. There is no bathtub, just the walk-in shower. And we're seeing this more and more on Disney Vacation Club units, just the walk-in shower. Number 5, makeup mirror. Yes, there's a makeup mirror, but again, unlike most makeup mirrors that I've seen in Disney Vacation Club units, there is no light surrounding the makeup mirror. All right. Number 6, bright lights or brighter lights in the bathroom. Yes, well, I criticized the, common area, living area, combo bedroom, living room, for being way too dark, needlessly. Bright lights everywhere in the bathroom. So that's good. Yeah, it could be a light up there, it could be useful, but that's pretty good all the same. We'll pass them on that. Number 7, extra towels. Well, Duo Studio is just supposed to be for 2 maximum 2 adults. There are 4 bath towels right there. So, good mark. 3 bottles of water. Come on, this is Disney. There's no such thing as free bottled water. No. Number 9, pen and paper. First Disney Vacation Club unit I've stayed at anywhere. Well, there is. And this is really surprising me. Paper and a pen. Yes, the pen does say Disneyland Hotel. Well done. Disneyland Tower, well done. This is what seniors want. Number 10, step stool for high beds. Well, that's not applicable here because as I showed you, that bed is not that high. Again, I previously put in the height for you. The number 11, the 11th most frequently requested convenience item, at least 2 chairs, comfortable chairs. Well, there's a couch, 1 chair, and then it's not really a love seat, more like an oversized chair, but there are 2 chairs. I've sat in that one. That's really comfortable. It's not sat in that one. So we'll give them a check mark for that. A table. No table. I personally, this is subjective, but I do not consider these 2 mini ottomans to be a table. You know, we're saying to eat your meal if you want to eat dining. So that's interesting. I mean, you could, I suppose, try to eat on the counter, but then again, if you're in a wheelchair or just want to sit, if you're sitting, I don't know. I would give them a fail for that one. Number 13, as far as I know, Disneyland Tower, it has a no pet policy except for service animals. Number 14, touch lamp by bed. It does not have a touch lamp. However, as I showed you earlier, there's the light on and off. So I'll give them an okay for that one. Then number 15, on-site breakfast, free or not? And yes, there are restaurants galore in the Disneyland Resort, so we'll give them a check mark for that. And there you have it, the seniors checklist evaluation of the Standard View Dual Studio. Third floor here on the Disneyland Tower at Disneyland Resort, Anaheim, California. Now, if you want to see the regular room tour where we pointed all the niceties and all the features, then you can click on this link right here. If not, you do prefer to watch another of our Disney-related travel videos for adults and seniors, you can click right here. Please do remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful in any way. And if you're not already a subscriber to our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney and Beyond, consider subscribing and click that notification bell. Hope you have a magical day, Disney style.